back to Order 16 development tutorial videos. In this video, we are going to discuss about view inheritance in Order 16. Views are what define how records should be displayed to the end users. They are usually specified in XML. We know inheritance is the process of adding new features to an existing model. View inheritance can be defined as the process of modifying an existing view. This may be adding a new field to an existing view, adding button, adding attribute to an existing field, etc. So in this video, let's see how to add a new field, date of birth, inside the contacts form. Here inside the contact form, I have added a new field, date of birth. So let's see how we can achieve this. For that, open PyCharm. So here I have a custom module called partner date of birth. Inside the models, I have a new Python file, ResPartner, in which I have inherited the model res.partner and added a new field. So for adding a new field, first you have to inherit the corresponding model and then add that particular field. We can inherit an existing model by using the keyword inherit equal to class name. So by inheriting and adding this field, the newly created date of birth field will be added to the existing database table of res.partner. After that, inside the views directory, create a new XML file for inheriting the contact form. So here I have created an XML file for inheriting the view, and inside this create a new record inside the model ir.ui.view. Since we have to inherit an existing record inside the model ir.ui.view, we have to specify the model as ir.ui.view. We have to set an external ID for the newly creating record as well. Then add the value for the attribute name. So this will be the name for this inherited view. Then specify the model as res.partner since we are inheriting an existing view for the model res.partner. The next field is inherit ID, where we have to specify the external ID of the view which we are inheriting. So this inherit ID can be obtained from the user interface. For that, go to the contact form since we are inheriting the contact form. If you want to inherit and modify any other view, then open the particular view. And after enabling the debug mode, go to the developer tools. Here we have an option edit view form. Click on that so that from here we can get the external ID of this particular form view. So we have to specify this external ID inside the inherit ID attribute. So the external ID for the contact form is base.viewPartnerForm. I have specified the same external ID for the attribute inherit ID. That is inherit ID reference is base.viewPartnerForm. Then we have to specify the field which we have to add inside this existing view. For that, specify the path using the tag xpath. So I am adding the new field after the field VAT which is already presented in this form. So here we can see that the tax ID field name is VAT. So I specified this particular field and gave the position as after, so that the new field date of birth will be added after this VAT field. After specifying this record, we have to add it inside the manifest. So I have added the XML file inside the manifest, and then you have to restart the service and go to apps, and you have to search for your custom app. So this is how we can inherit an existing view and modify its features. So I have inherited the contact form and added a new field inside the contact form, that is date of birth. Hope you have got the idea about this. Thanks for watching.